In this lesson, you will learn to identify all parts of picture graphs by looking at examples. Let's review. We already know how to collect data. In this example, people were asked to vote on their favorite flavor of ice cream. We can use tally marks to count votes. The three choices of flavors were chocolate, vanilla, and cookie dough. After taking the votes, we can count the tally marks to find the total number in each category. 5 people voted chocolate, 2 people voted for vanilla, and 6 people voted cookie dough. Now we've learned that we can take the data we've collected and put it into some sort of graph. In this lesson, we're talking about picture graphs. Picture graphs have a title, Favorite Ice Cream Flavors. A picture graph will also have categories, chocolate, vanilla, cookie dough. Picture graphs also have a key. Here we see that this symbol of an ice cream cone represents one vote. So 3 votes for chocolate, 2 votes for vanilla, and 1 vote for cookie dough in this example of the picture graph. Now also you'll notice that each ice cream cone is a different color. Take a look at the next graph. It still has a title and the categories chocolate, vanilla, and cookie dough. Take a look at the key. It's a brown ice cream cone with speckles. It represents 1 vote. In this picture graph, each ice cream cone looks exactly the same. The way that you can tell the difference between the flavors is by looking at the categories. So here I see 3 people voted for chocolate, 2 people voted for vanilla, and 1 person voted for cookie dough. I don't need the ice cream cones to be different color. I can simply read the categories. One of the most important things to remember is when seeing a picture graph is to always look for the key. The key is always going to give you some valuable information. For example, if my key said that each ice cream cone represented 2 votes instead of 1, when looking at who liked chocolate, I would say 2, 4, 6 people voted on chocolate, 2, 4, 4 people voted on vanilla, and 2 people voted on cookie dough. So you can see how important it is to look at the key before answering any questions about picture graphs. In this lesson, you have learned to identify all parts of picture graphs by looking at examples. Picture graphs will have a title, categories, and a key.